Hi folks, Art at Leach Campers, where we camp better. We're going to do a three-part series. We've done a 177. This is the 178 rear bath. So you got about the same thing, 3,300 pounds, about the same length, 21 foot. It's got the new matte finish on it. Got the steps to touch the ground. The interference fit door has the electric awning with the LED lights. But what you're going to notice is the whole back of the coach is a rear bath. We'll show you that when it gets inside. I like this new finish. It's very modern. You're going to love the colors inside. Pass-through storage. 1 year bumper to bumper, 3-year structure. There's your rock guard. 12 years on the roof. Come on in. What you're going to notice on this one that's different from the others is you can actually get around both sides of the bed. On the other two models, the bed is kind of in the corner, so this is a lot handier for folks to get in on either side. Plug-ins on either side for CPAPs and phone chargers. This is going to be, the other ones have a white interior. This is the new tan interior also, very nice color. There's your dinette, that'll sleep two, but it's also your dinette here. This is the wall air conditioner, plenty of air conditioning. Nice big sink, refrigerator, furnace, and then you can wall mount your TV right there. And then come on in, we'll open that bathroom and we'll show you that what really makes this or presents this very well is that the whole back of this coach is a rear bath. So this is one of the largest bathrooms in a 21-foot trailer that's available. Nice big shower. So what you're going to notice right off the bat, folks, is these things are 8 foot long. You get in our competition, they're 7 foot long. So if you can imagine, if you still want a nice dinette so the two people will sit here, but you're losing 6 inches here, 6 inches here, imagine if you lost a foot in the center hallway. So you either got to cut the dinette or just have a narrow hallway so you couldn't pass. That's what the advantage of an 8-foot camper is over a 7-foot wide camper. This is Art at Leach Campers. This is a 2021. This is the Keystone Hideout. This is a 178 rear bath. We have it on sale for $15,500. Come see me on this one.